Hello students, welcome to the channel Anand Medical Academy. So this is the classes regarding KCET, and now in this particular class we will discuss the KCET previous year questions from 2014 to 20, which is regarding application of derivatives, which we will simply call it as AOD. See, as while we solve these all previous year questions, you will come to know that the questions from application of derivatives is very easy, but you need to remember some small concepts like how to find slope of normal, slope of tangent, equation of tangent and equation of normal, and the questions related to rate measure, how to find area with respect to time or with respect to radius. Okay, and again, when we'll consider as function is increasing, when we'll consider as function is decreasing. Okay, if you remember these minimum concepts, you can attempt application of derivatives questions from the exam KCET. See, if you observe the all previous year questions, minimum 3 questions we are getting from the chapter application of derivatives. So now let us start the previous year questions from the year 2014. So in this question, what they asked is, first question, the local minimum value of the function f given by f of x equal to 3 plus mod x for x belongs to R. See, local minimum find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Local minimum means first we need to find f dash of x equal to x equal to f dash of x equal to 0. You will get x value. X value ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the local minimum. Very simple concept. See here, as it is modulus function, first of all I am writing it as a proper function. So it will become 3 plus x when x greater than 0. It will become 3 minus x when x is less than 0. Right or not? As it is modulus function, greater than 0 idre x positive irutte, less than 0 idre x negative agutte. So this is the function. Now to find local minimum, first we need to find f dash of x, right? What is f dash of x? Nothing but derivative to this function. For this function derivative madidre 3 derivative 0, x derivative 1 when x greater than 0. Okay, 3 derivative 0 minus x derivative minus 1 when x is less than 0. This is what f dash of x. Okay, now the local minimum value is, see here, so then the function will become, this is 1 and this is minus 1. Okay, according to this, so the local minimum value is minus 1. Okay, next question. So this is not like substituting that x values. Okay, so here there is no x values, right? So therefore in this f dash of x, this value only will consider as the local minimum value. Next question, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles. Okay, this is an NCERT question, direct NCERT question. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Okay, so waves will move in a circular wave, we know that, at a speed of 5 cm per second. That means waves are moving, nothing but radius is increasing. So dr by dt is how much? 5 cm per second given. 5 cm per second. And then at that instant when the radius of circular wave is 8 cm, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? So they are talking about enclosed area. So first of all, what is the area of the sphere? Okay, area which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, you know that. Now from that, see, sorry, it's a circle, not sphere. Okay, area of a circle, we know that a equal to pi r square. That means if you differentiate that with respect to r, it will become dA by dr. So we need to do with respect to time. Why? Because how fast is the enclosed area increasing with respect to time? So dA by dt. So dA by dt, differentiate with respect to t. So it will be 2 pi r into dr by dt. We know 2 pi r, which is 2 pi into what is r? A circular wave at 8 centimeters particularly they are asking. So 2 pi into 8 into dr by dt. What is dr by dt given? That is 5. 8 5 is 40, 42. This is 80 pi centimeter square per second. See, very easy question. First they given dr by dt increasing, that is 5 centimeter per second. Next we need to find area increasing at radius 8 centimeters. So dA by dt find out ಮಾಡಿ 2 pi r into dr by dt. R value given 8 centimeters, dr by dt also given 5 centimeter per second. So which gives 80 pi centimeter square per second. Next. Next, from 2015, slope of normal to the curve y equal to x square minus 1 by x square at minus 1 comma 0. See, slope of normal we need to find. See, slope of normal formula minus 1 by dy by dx, slope of normal. Okay. First we will find dy by dx according to this curve. What is curve x square minus 1 by x square? What is dy by dx? 2x minus 1 by x square derivative 2 minus 2 by x cube. Minus into minus it will become plus. Yakandre 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. So minus will be there now. It will be plus 2 by x cube. So this is dy by dx. At what they are asking? Minus 1. So dy by dx at x value minus 1 substitute madidre 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1 whole cube minus 2. So minus 2 which gives minus 4. So this is dy by dx. Now when comes to slope of normal, it will become minus 1 by minus 4 which is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the first question of the KCET, application of derivatives. Next, a balloon which always remains spherical is being inflated by the pump by pumping in 10 centimeter cube per second of gas. Find the rate at which the radius of balloon is increasing when the radius is 15 centimeters. See here, as we pump that air into that balloon, the volume will increase. So that is only they said 10 centimeter cube per second. Okay, with respect to time. So dV by dt they only given, that is 10 centimeter cube per second. As we are discussing about the balloon, that we need to consider as a sphere, right? Okay, now the volume of the sphere formula we know, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we need to find volume with respect to time. Okay, find the rate at which radius of the balloon is increasing when the radius is 15 centimeters. Okay, we need to find dr by dt, we need to find. Okay, find radius is increasing, dr by dt we need to find. See, dr by dt find out madbekandre dv by dt find out madbeku. We need to find dv by dt. So dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube derivative 3r square. Again r derivative with respect to t is dr by dt. See, dv by dt value kottidru 10. 3 cancel agutte. This will be 4 pi r square into dr by dt. So then dr by dt is equal to 10 by 4 pi r square. But they given r value, what is that? At 15 centimeters. 15 substitute madi, 15 square is to 10 by 4 pi into 225. Okay, 225 into 4, 900. 10 by 900 is 1 by 90 pi centimeter per second, as it is radius. Okay, option A. Okay, dr by dt find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು t ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and again we'll get dr by dt. So dr by dt we need to find as they given dv by dt. Next, from 2016 application of derivatives, they are given a question based on tangent and normals. The slope of the tangent to the curve x and y at the point 2 comma minus 1. Okay, now see, first of all we need to find dx by dt and then dy by dt in order to find dy by dx. First of all nodi dx by dt enagutte, dx by dt which is 2t plus 3. dy by dt enagutte, dy by dt is 2 to 4t minus 2. Okay, now what is dy by dx? dy by dx andre 4t minus 2 by 2t plus 3. Idu dy by dx. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ t value ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು x y value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, x and y value in the we need to get t value and then we need to substitute here. Now how to find t value is, as they given x is 2, y is minus 1, we need to equate to these given equations. X value 2 andre 2 equal to t square plus 3t minus 8 andre 3t t square plus 3t minus 10 equal to 0. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ t plus 5 into t minus 2 equal to 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 5t minus 2t we can write. So then what are the t values? T equal to minus 5 or t equal to 2. See, we should not consider these two values. Why? Because we need to consider the common value in between these two. Again, y value is to minus 1. Minus 1 equal to 2t square minus 2t plus 5. So it will become 2t square minus 2t minus 4 equal to 0. So this is a plus 5. Okay, sorry, this is minus 5. Question, this is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So if you take 2 common, you will get t square minus 2t minus, sorry, t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. Now from this equation what we will get is t minus 2 into t plus 1 equal to 0. So we can write this as minus 2 plus t. No? So t minus 2 into t plus 1. So here we are getting t values as t equal to 2 or t equal to minus 1. The common value from these two is t equal to 2. So that t equal to 2 we need to substitute here. dy by dx at t equal to 2. Then it will become 4 2's 8 minus 2 by 2 2's 4 plus 3, which is equal to 6 by 7. So for this question, the dy by dx is 6 by 7. So this is easy equation only, but you need to substitute x value here and y value here. You will get this dy by dx. Understood? Slope of the tangent we need to find. If they ask slope of the normal, then if they ask means slope of the normal will become minus 1 by dy by dx, which is equal to minus 1 by 6 by 7, which will become minus 7 by 6. If they ask this one means you need to find like this. Okay, this is about 2016 first question. Next 2016 second question from the application of derivatives. The two curves x cube minus 3xy square plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x square y minus y cube equal to 2. See, two curves ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ two curves cut at an angle pi by 4 pi by 3 right angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi by 2 touching each other. That means parallel 0 or 180 like that. So we need to identify these options. How? We need to find slopes. See, m1 m2 find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first of all. So from the x cube minus 3xy square plus 2 equal to 0, we need to find dy by dx. Nothing but m1 we need to find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, next another equation 3x square y minus y cube equal to 2. From this we need to identify m2. Okay, first if you apply derivative with respect to x, this is 3x square minus, see the 3x into y square, uv rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, 3x into 2y into dy by dx, ಓಕೆನಾ, plus y square into derivative of 3x ಏನು 3, okay, plus 2 derivative 0, which is equal to 0. So it will become 3x square minus 6xy into dy by dx. Okay, this is what, plus 3y square equal to 0. We need dy by dx, that we will send that side. 3x square plus 3y square equal to 6xy into dy by dx. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ x square plus y square equal to 2xy into dy by dx, right? 3 common you take and simplify. Then what is dy by dx? Or nothing but m1 here, x square plus y square by, this is minus into plus minus, minus into plus, again this will become minus. Okay, x square minus y square by 2xy. This is what m1. So similarly m2 we need to find. m2 here also 3x square u ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು y v ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, uv rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. uv rule ಏನು, 3x square into dy by dx plus y into 3x square derivative 6x minus 3y cube derivative 3y square into dy by dx, which is equal to 0. As we need to find dy by dx common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, you will get 3x square minus 3y square, which is equal to 6xy ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 6xy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So then dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy by x square minus y square. Why? Because you take 3 common here also 3 will get cancelled, you will get minus 2xy by x square minus y square. So this is what m2. Now m1 m2 multiply ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. m1 into m2 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x square minus y square by 2xy, this is m1. What is m2? Minus 2xy by x square minus y square. These two will get cancelled, will get minus 1. So whenever we get m1 m2 equal to minus 1, we will come to know that cut each other at right angle. For example, if m1 equal to m2 bandre, touching each other or parallel or lies on same line similarly. So if they get values like this is 1, this is 2, like that, you substitute in tan theta formula. The tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This formula substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get whether it may be pi by 4 or pi by 3 or pi by 2, like that you will get values. See, based on m1 m2 values only we need to identify. This is about second question. Now when it comes to this third question, in 2016 itself, see, in this 2016 we got 4 questions from this application of derivatives. The rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius. Very easy question. Area of a circle, we know area equal to pi r square. With respect to radius, differentiate ಮಾಡಿ dA by dr is equal to, which is 4 pi r. At what they are asking? See here, they are asking rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius at r equal to pi. As you know that a equal to pi r square, dA by dr will become, sorry, this is 2 pi r. Now we need to find r at 2 centimeters. So dA by dr at r equal to 2. So that means 2 pi into 2, which is equal to 4 pi. Okay, very simple question. See, next, fourth question. The equation of normal to the curve y into 1 plus x square equal to 2 minus x, where the tangent crosses x axis. ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ a, 0 ಅಂದರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಕ್ರಾಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ a, 0 ಥರ, ಅದೇ ಕ್ರಾಸಸ್ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ 0, b ಥರ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಕ್ರಾಸಸ್ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0, ಕ್ರಾಸಸ್ x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0. ಅದೊಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See here, first by using this curve y equal to 2 minus x by 1 plus x square. Can we write like this? Yes. Why? Because this is in the form of y into 1 plus x square equal to 2 minus x. This 1 plus x square you bring here. It will be 2 minus x by 1 plus x square. Now they are asking the equation of normal to this curve where the tangent crosses x axis is. So first of all, by using this condition, you consider y as 0. y 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 minus x by 1 plus x square equal to 0. That means 2 minus x equal to 0, x equal to 2. Okay, x value 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. As we need to find equation of normal, first we need to find dy by dx then. Okay, dy by dx. So first of all, what is dy by dx? As y equal to this one, dy by dx will become u by v rule. One is 1 plus x square whole square, v square, and then 1 plus x square into derivative of 2 minus x minus 1 minus of 2 minus x into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. See, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು u by v ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So which results, okay, minus 1 minus x square minus 4x minus into minus plus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. So this is dy by dx is equal to 2x square minus x square is x square minus 4x minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So this is dy by dx. Now this x value we will substitute in this dy by dx and let us see what we will get. dy by dx at x equal to 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 2 square 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 to 8 minus 1 divided by 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 square which is equal to 25. So which results 8 minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 by 25, which is equal to minus 1 by 5. So this is minus 1 by 5. What is the dy by dx? When comes to normal, what will be dy by dx? That m2 will become minus 1 by this one, minus 1 by minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 5. So that means slope of this normal should be equal to 5. So now instead of finding the equation, what we need equation, instead of finding the equation, we will check the slopes of these equations. So which equation slope is equal to 5, then that can be our answer. See, let us see. See, slope of equation ax plus by plus equal to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 5. ನೋ, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ 5 by 1. ನೋ, ಇದು minus 1 by minus 5. No, this is minus 5 by minus 1, which is equal to 5. So option D is correct. So this is how we need to find. See, ange for example, okay, for example, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು equation slope 5 ತರ ಬರೇ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, then how we need to conclude means we need to find the equation. What is that? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. y1 value ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, that is 0. Why? Because it is passing through x axis. Y minus 0 equal to m. M is to slope of normal. 5 into x minus x1. X value is to 2, which is 5 equal to y equal to 5x minus 10. So which is option D. Like this also you can find. Okay na? So 2016 completed. Now we will go to 2017 application of derivative question. The point on the curve y square equal to x where the tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with x axis. Okay, point on the curve y square equal to x where the tangent makes an angle pi by 4. That means angle between these two is pi by 4. So first we will find dy by dx of this, which is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 1. So dy by dx of this is 1 by 2y. But what they are telling, where the tangent makes an angle. So tangent of this curve is, they are telling tan pi by 4. We know that, okay, if angle is pi by 4 means tan theta equal to tan pi by 4, which means 1. That means slope, they are telling tangent makes an angle pi by 4 anta. That means dy by dx here is equal to 1. If we equate these two as dy by dx, they given 1. If we equate, what is that? 1 by 2y is equal to 1. That means what is 2y? 2y equal to 1. That means y equal to 1 by 2. So y equal to 1 by 2 ellide, option C ellide. So if you want x value also, for example, another option given like 1 comma 1 by 2, then two options y equal to 1 by 2, then which option is correct? Then y value substitute here. What is y? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is to 1 by 4. So then this will be the correct answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? See, ಇದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and then they given some angle, that also we consider, that is equal to 1. This is equal to 1 by 2y. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get x comma y values. Next, the rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area when the radius is 4 centimeters. So this is very good question. Once again read this. The rate of change of volume of a sphere, okay, volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. Volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. So first of all, I will write the formulas of those. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a sphere, okay, sorry, with its surface area. Surface area formula of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So this you need to remember, minimum at least. Now we need to find the rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to surface area. That means we need to find dv by ds when radius is equal to 4. Okay, this we need to find. Now we need to find dv by dx. Here r is there now in between, so it will be like parametric form. Okay, it will be like parametric form. So in this case, see how we need to find is, first we need to find dv by dr. Okay, here ds by dr we need to find first of all. See, if we equate this, sorry, this is a ds by dr. See, what is this? 4 by 3 pi constant, r cube derivative 3r square. that means 3 cancel, 4 pi r square is dv by dr. Okay, next s equal to 4 pi r square. Now ds by dr andre 4 pi constant, r square derivative 2r, then this will become 8 pi r. Now what is dv by ds? dv by ds andre 4 pi r square by 8 pi r. Pi cancel, r square cancel, 4 1 4 2s, which is r by 2 we got. So dv by ds is r by 2. Now dv by ds at r is equal to what they ask to find? At r equal to 4 centimeters. R 4 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 4 by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. Why? Because with respect to radius here. So option C. Understood? So volume of a sphere we need to find with respect to surface area. Okay, here. So that means dv by dx. You know parametric forms. Next. 2017 third question from this application of derivatives. So equation of line passing through the point 1, 2 and perpendicular to this line. Okay, we need to find, see, when we do application of derivatives and in some straight lines, we solve some problems like how to find equation of a line when it is passing through some points. When it is passing through some points means directly you substitute that point here. Okay, substitute that point here somewhere. In first option substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 3 to 6 equal to 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Next 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 3 to 6 minus 7 equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why? Because 7 minus 7 is 0. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus 6 plus 7 is not equal to 0 and again 1 minus 6 is not equal to 0. So directly you can put that option without finding any equations. Okay, this is the shortcut method. Next 2018, the maximum area of a rectangle inscribed in the circle. See, in yesterday's class when we discussed maximum and minima, we have discussed where it is maximum when a rectangle is inscribed in a circle. Listen guys, whenever a rectangle inscribed in a circle, the maximum, okay, the maximum area will be square. As I said, it will be square. Okay, but here what is the radius? Okay, what is the radius? Okay, what is the radius means, as the circle equation given 60, which is equal to 64. As you know that this is nothing but r square. Then what is r? R is equal to 8 centimeters, that you know. Okay, now okay, but with respect to that we can find easily. See here, maximum area of a rectangle is nothing but area of a square here in that circle. We know that area of a rectangle, area of maximum rectangle. Okay, area of maximum rectangle formula in yesterday's class I have given formulas, that is equal to 2a square. So here AB and AB got, that is 2 into this, as it is a square, here we will get this a square nothing but 8 square, which is equal to 2 into 8 square 64, which is equal to 128 square units. Okay, formula you need to remember, that is what, 2a square, that 8 value is 8, so it will get 64, which is 128. So these formulas you need to remember. What is the maximum area of a triangle when it is inscribed in a circle? That will be the square only. That square formula 2a square. Next question from 2018. Maximum value of 1 by x power x. Maximum value. See, how to find maximum value means, find dy by dx and then equate to 0, you will get that x value. That x value substitute in that equation, that will be the maximum value. Okay, see here. So first we need to find dy by dx. So we will consider y equal to 1 by x power x. Okay, as it is in the form of function to the power of function, we need to apply log. Log y is equal to log of 1 by x to the power of x. So it will become log y is equal to x log of 1 by x. So ಇದು differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by y into dy by dx, which is equal to x into log of 1 by x derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay, log of 1 by x derivative is 1 by x. Again chain rule of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay, and then plus log of 1 by x into 1 by x derivative 1. See, but instead of this, okay, as it is log y, okay, log y is equal to x into, so this is log of 1 by x. Log of 1 by x we can write as log 1 minus log x. Why? Because log a by b is log a minus log b, which will be converted into log y is equal to log 1 value 0, so it will become minus x log x. Now you find derivative for this. So 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to minus x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into minus x derivative is minus 1. So this will be easy when compared to this. So it will become dy by dx is equal to, so this is x and x cancel. If you take minus common, it will become minus of 1 plus log x into y ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this will become minus y. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? y ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ it will become 1 plus log x. Okay, this is what dy by dx, guys. Okay, dy by dx. But what I said, we need to make dy by dx to equate to 0. What is dy by dx? Minus y into 1 plus log x equate to 0 ಮಾಡಿ y ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then 1 plus log x equal to 0 and then log x equal to minus 1. See, log x equal to value ಇದ್ರೆ x will become e power minus 1. e power minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 1 by e. x equal to 1 by e we can write. Now this x equal to 1 by e we need to substitute in that function. What is that function? y equal to 1 by x power x. Then y equal to x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ e ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by e power 1 by e. It will become e power 1 by e. So this is the maximum value, e power 1 by e. See, very simple. To find this maximum value, differentiate ಮಾಡಿ equate to 0 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get that x value function ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Okay, next. So this is the question from 2019. The sides of equilateral triangle are increasing at the rate of 4 cm per second. The rate at which its area is increasing when the side is 14 centimeters. Okay, we need to find sides of a equilateral triangle are increasing at the rate of. Okay, when we consider sides of an equilateral triangle, as we will consider as x, that is increasing. So we will consider dx by dt is 4 cm per second. So the rate at which area is increasing. So you should remember the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 x square or a square, or how we will consider that side. So root 3 by 4 x square. This is the area of a triangle. Now we need to find at which its area is increasing when the side is. Area is increasing as a equal to root 3 by 4 x square. We need to find dA by dt. Okay, dA by dt find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dA by dt, how we need to find? Root 3 by 4 x square derivative 2x. Again, x derivative with respect to time is dx by dt. So which is root 3 by 4 into 2 into x value ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Side at 14 centimeters. So this is 14 into dx by dt again 4. So 4 and 4 cancel, 2 14s 28. Root 3 is the correct answer. Okay, hope you are understanding. So area of equilateral triangle formula you need to remember, that is root 3 by 4 x square. Differentiate with respect to time and substitute the given values. Next, the interval in which the function f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10 is increasing. This question is very simple. Find f dash of x. Okay, and increasing andre greater than or equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿ, strictly increasing andre greater than 0. ಅದೇ ತರ decreasing andre less than or equal to 0, strictly decreasing andre less than 0 ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, first f dash of x find out ಮಾಡಿ. f dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? according to this given function, which will be 3x square minus 12x plus 9. So as you need to do greater than or equal to 0, 3 common ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So here we will get minus 3 minus 1. So x minus 3 into x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. See, ಈ ತರ greater than or equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ extreme values ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That means minus into comma minus 1 union 3 comma infinity. Okay, why? Because x equal to 3, x equal to 1, ಇದು 1, ಇದು 3. ಸಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದೇ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ. See how easy the questions from the application of derivatives. Next, so now we'll solve the questions from 2020, that means last year. If the curves 2x equal to y square comma 2xy equal to k intersects perpendicularly, then k square is okay, perpendicularly andre eno m1 into m2 is equal to -1 condition that we will find. So according to this, to find dy by dx, so 2 into 2x derivative 2, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx, 2 cancel, dy by dx is equal to 1 by y. Okay, dy by dx is 1 by y. Now this is what m1. Next m2 find out madana. 2x into y derivative dy by dx plus y into 2x derivative is 2, which is equal to constant derivative 0. So what is this dy by dx? 2x into dy by dx equal to minus 2y, 2 cancel, dy by dx equal to minus y by x. So this is m2. Now as they said it is perpendicular, we will multiply these two. 1 by y into minus y by x is equal to minus 1. y cancel, minus 1 by x equal to minus 1, minus 1 cancel, x value 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಈಸ್ k ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ 2. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 ಇಂಟು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರೂಟ್ 2, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು k. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ k equal to 2 root 2, but what they are asking is k square. So k square is equal to 2 square 4, which is equal to 8. K square value 8. See, so many will get confused that after finding k value directly tick that option 2 root 2, but they are asking k square. See the question carefully. Next, ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, m1 equal to m2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. The maximum value of log x. Last question. The maximum value of log x by x if x greater than 0 is. Okay, as we have discussed previously, maximum value ಅಂದ್ರೆ f dash of x find out ಮಾಡಿ equal to 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x value ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ y equal to log x by x. ಫಸ್ಟ್ dy by dx ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dy by dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, u by v ರೂಲ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಯು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 1 by x ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 1. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 minus log x by x square is dy by dx. If that dy by dx equate to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus log x by x square equal to 0. x square ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus log x equal to 0. That means 1 equal to log x, or we can write as log x equal to 1. See, log x equal to 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ log ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will become exponential, right? So it will become e power 1. Okay, so nothing but x equal to x value ಅಲ್ಲಿ given function ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is given function? y equal to log x by e, log x by x. So then y x value e substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ log e by e. We know that log e to base e is 1, so maximum value is 1 by e. So that is option C. See, you may think that, see sir, in the 2020 only we got only 2 questions. No, we did not get 2 questions, we got 3 questions, but the third question is based on approximations. Okay, but as approximations topic is not there in your 2021 syllabus, so I did not discuss, and you don't get the questions based on that also. But I am telling, this application of derivatives chapter is very important. You will get minimum 3 questions from this chapter. Okay, hope you understood. See, follow the classes regularly. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.